Hello, this is Carolyn's Paper Therapy. And this afternoon, I'm just doing a little project here that is sweet and simple from My Porch Prints. And I've printed out everything, and I just thought I'd she has a video of how to put it together, which I'll link. But I just wanted to show you my progress as I went through, and I'll probably add a few little things that might be fun for you to watch. This is called Typewriter Pocket Journal, and it's one of those kits that you just print out the little things, and she's told you exactly how to put everything together. There's embellishments, there's tags to go in the pockets, the little typewriter front and back, and some other elements in here. And I printed on the back so that everything that would be showing on the back would look nice. And there wasn't a background page in this pattern that I saw, so I just went to one of her other kits that kind of matched the colors and chose some that I liked and sent them to the printer. I have one extra here that I'm sure I'll find something to do with. So I'm gonna spend kind of a comfortable afternoon here cutting this stuff out. I've already cut out the little pockets. These pages just fold in half and get glued together and form a pocket, and they're a page in the journal. The typewriter makes the front and the back, and then these fit inside. I can't wait to get this finished. I think it's so cute, and I have someone special in mind that I think I want to share this with. So that's all I'm going to show you right now. I'm just going to get my little scissors out here and start cutting everything out, and I'll be back when I start putting it together. See you soon.